Please don't do it. Come on, lady. What are you doing? Put your phone down. Oh my god, I see your phone. God. This park is so bad. Some nights I wish that my legs could build a castle. Some nights I'm not sure what I stand for. Stop so far back. What are you doing? It was an accident.
Yeah, the front license plate was bumped off.
The back of the green car looks fine.
How the fuck do you get in an accident here? Whoa, lady, you're crossing up. That's a hand. This lady's gonna die. Yeah, facts. God, what are you doing? Backing into traffic. Oh my God. Pull in front of 40-mile-an-hour traffic and then be like stupid. So slow. Fucking move on.
me?
There's nobody behind me. Far left.
Why is it locked?
I'm just retarded.
It's not locked.
Okay.
Here, go.
He is mad.
Well, it's not getting any greener, dude.
You're not New Yorker enough to be looking like that.
It's just coming into my lane.
Okay.
Turn signal.
We just gotta keep looking.
Oh, hey.
What the hell are you gonna...
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn left.
Look, there's the shitty New York Police Department station in Times Square.
Wait, where?
Go. Illinois driver, that explains it.
That's how my city skylines people feel. Yeah.
That's a red light, buddy.
It says New Amsterdam, like I said in my history facts.
What?
It's gonna let the NYPD run the red.
It's the NYPD traffic special
Look,
ops.
She,
You don't fucking
she
get
threw
it.
her hands up at the other cop, and now she's just walking in the middle of the road, and I can't do anything. I'm not honking at a cop.
With the NYPD Yushenka.
I don't get to this guy.
Oh, hey, what are you doing, man? It's because of stupid fucking trucks and the people that just walk around it.
What are you doing? Wait, where'd I go?
Straight.
He's on this phone, he just stops. What, into like a baby's face?
I think it just went off.
What are you doing? Straight lane!
What are you doing? Oh my god. I see people dancing over here. Like I see people making a
What's
TikTok
going
over
on
here.
over there, dude?
Someone just sitting still.
Yeah.
What are they
Dude,
doing?
those people are making a TikTok. Oh no, they're honking at the TikTok people.
I don't think that's what they're
They're
doing.
see that Highlander? They're just not moving, and they have a green light.
Or the bus is about to kill
Dude,
them.
can we fucking kill these people?
What are these people? Hello.
What the fuck? What are you doing?
Lane, straddling the lane.
Oh my god, I can't with these trucks.
Dude, you can't do that.
I'll tell you this much. They always be. Oh,
Oh
hey,
my
just parking
God.
there. There's a whole shoulder. Just park on the shoulder. Never heard it.
The lights, turn right onto 5th Avenue, then the destination is on your right.
Empire State Building's like right there.
Jacob, watch out for this truck that's in front of you.
Oh. If I see flashers, somebody's gonna die. If I see park anywhere button, you're done. Oh shit, news. BBC Action News, WTC.
Shit, I think we need to get out, and I think we need to... Oh shit, there he is.
Dude, if I honk, do you think that...
Yes. Fuck you doing?
That'll be in the news, dude. We gotta watch W69 or whatever the fuck.
I think he's getting ready. I don't think they're actually on air right now.
Yeah, he was.
Watch our children. Slow. Are these guys set up here or what? Out of the road. That's one of the cars you'd yell at.
Go ahead.
Oh, this guy's an asshole. What is he doing? Look at his AirPods, dude. I hope that shit falls out.
What are you honking at?
Dude, honk back.
He's honking at somebody.
What honking at? She's going at it. Fuck.
Go.
Fuck, go.
At the lights, use the right two lanes to bear right to merge onto I-95 towards Chester.
Oh my fuck.
Dude, just do it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, Thomas, you know nothing about city life.
I see you.
Like a really old white.
Such a bad traffic circle. Just go. You have to clarify that.
Okay. What do you think you are, dude?
At the lights, use the right lane to turn onto North Broad Street.
Yeah.
That's facts. This guy's being dumb.
That's how you police a big city, dude. With this car bumps you.
Christ.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn right.
Children's sidewalks.
Remember, dude.
City sidewalks.
Fuck it. What's going on here? Oh my god. You were fucking close. Holy shit.
No.
Highway 611.
No. Thomas, waypoint of McDonald's.
What?
Waypoint of McDonald's. Oh my god, you see that truck?
I don't know why we're